Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today I am sharing birthday entry number 5, and this one comes from Sherrie Jones. Sherrie, thank you so much for entering. I appreciate your continued support. You're so sweet. And she has sent me, I took everything out of the plastic bag. She had everything nicely wrapped in a bag, but I took it out so that, we don't go through all the crinkling. And yeah, the first thing up here is a birthday card. So I'm going to take this out of the bag and show you what it looks like. That's so pretty. So this is I think it's a birthday card with a pocket. It does say happy birthday. She did use a die to create the pocket, and she has wrapped it nice. I mean, she has layered it very pretty with these gorgeous colors. Very pretty. Look at this right here. Oh, that embellishment is gorgeous. It's buckets with flowers on the top, and it says happy birthday. Oh, that paper is gorgeous. Thank you. And it does have a card in there. Oh, that's so pretty. It says, and all at once, summer collapsed into fall. She did have a note in there. Thank you, Sherrie. You know me. So she layered it a couple of times. Beautiful yellow background. And then this gorgeous image on the front. And then she put a bow with a tiny flower. Did you make those flowers, Sherrie? I'm willing to bet you did. That is so pretty. Oh, I love that. And then she put some eyelash trim at the bottom between the bow and the flower. That's so pretty. Love it. Thank you, Sherrie. I love that. And then on the other side, she has, some embellishments. Oh my gosh, these are pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to take one off to show you what she did for these embellishments. Oh, those are so pretty. So this is what she's done. This is so pretty. It's a bucket with the pumpkins and the flower on the front. She's puffed it up on some foam, but she's got 2 layers of it. 2 layers of the same image. And that adds a lot to it. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Thank you so much, Sherrie. Oh, that's beautiful. And that was behind this. So there's that one. And look at this beautiful bag topper. That is so pretty. Gorgeous bow. And look at the center of, look at the flower. Oh my gosh, I want to say these are sunflowers. Gorgeous, look at that. And then she's got frills in the center. Oh, that is so pretty. Pink ones. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And look, guys, she loaded me up with pink sunflowers. Oh my gosh, Sherrie, these are beautiful. You'll have to tell me what dye you used because these are gorgeous. I just love these. My goodness. Wow, these are pretty. Hope y'all can see that, guys. That is so pretty. Oh, she gave me another one. Oh my goodness. Guess what y'all are going to see on my fall projects. Sherrie, you were busy. Look at this beautiful butterfly. Another tiny sunflower in the center. I love these. Oh my goodness, Sherrie. Thank you. I love that center. I love those frills. I don't know if they're called frills or something different, but I have some in a different color and they're all the same size. These are different sizes, so I'm not exactly sure what they're called, but those are so pretty. Those are beautiful. I just love that. Oh my gosh, Sherrie, thank you. And the paper that she used, oh my goodness. Thank you. And then she sent me another, these are pumpkins. Oh my gosh. Look at this bag topper. Oh my gosh. She did the same technique with her dimension on her pumpkin. Pretty. Oh my gosh. I can stare at this forever. Let me take one of these pumpkins out. This is her pumpkin, her fall. Oh, that is so pretty. I love these. And this feels textured, like it's got something over it. Or that paper is just amazing. Wow. I wish y'all could feel this. And again, she went with the beautiful, those are beautiful leaves, and some flowers in the center, or a flower in the center, and then some eyelash trim. Oh my gosh, Sherrie. I love those flowers. Those are so pretty. I love them. Okay, guys, I decided to take them all out so you can see them. Oh, those are so pretty. They're on chipboard, guys. These are really, really sturdy. Oh my gosh, I can hardly wait to use these on something. Look at this pattern. Oh, those are gorgeous. Thank you, Sherrie. Oh my gosh. So that was in this bag. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, Sherrie. So those are extras that she included. This is her embellishment box, and I've already unwrapped it. I have not looked at it, just of course the top because I had to unwrap it, but this is her embellishment box, and she even used pink bubble wrap. How gorgeous is this? Oh my goodness. She used some of the embellishments, some of the flowers that I really think she made. Look at this tiny bow that she has made. And it's got a pearl strand going all the way around and some gathered trim. It's got a gorgeous little bow up here. Oh, that is so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. I want to craft like her one day. This is so pretty, Sherrie. Thank you, thank you. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So let's open it up. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Look at that paper. Okay, so Sherrie knows exactly what I like. Because we like the same things, guys. So on this side, she has included some of this gorgeous trim. How pretty is that? Pink and pearl. Oh, that is perfect. So that's what's in this one. And then in this one, she has pink and white trim. How dainty is that? That's so pretty. In pink and white. Gorgeous. And the white it's got some shimmer to it. Like, it's got a lot of shimmer to it. That's so pretty. Actually, the pink does too. It sure does. Those are so beautiful. Thank you, Sherrie. And then right here, she's included some of the flower trim. Very pretty. I love this trim. And then right here, she has included a lot of pink lacy trim. So pretty. That's a lot, guys. That is a lot. And she made it fit. And then in this side, oh, how pretty are these? Oh, these are really pretty. This strand of pearl beads is so pretty. Oh, I can see this on a cluster of flowers. Beautiful. Thank you, Sherrie. Thank you for sharing that with me. And then right here, she's got some pearl beads, pinks and greens, gorgeous colors combination. And right here, she's got a mix of, well, let me open it and see if I can open it without, there we go. Right here, she's got a mix of just different types of bling, really. She's got dewdrops. She's got some iridescent stars. Oh my gosh, it's just a lot in here, guys. Seed beads, flatbacks. This is so pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. Thank you, Sherrie. And then on this side, she's got pink and white halfback pearls. So pretty. Oh my gosh, thank you. And look at these gorgeous little flowers she's got over here on this side. So pretty. Beautiful. Thank you, Sherrie. And then next to it, she's got some pink bows with the pearl in the center. Gorgeous. Love those. And on this one, she's got some satin pink ribbon. Very pretty. I don't know that I have pink satin, but this is very, very pretty. And then look at this one, guys. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Wow. Lady, thank you so much for all this goodness. I appreciate it. Oh my gosh, everything is just gorgeous. Guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Sherrie, again, thank you so much. Everything is just gorgeous. I love everything. So this was entry number 5 from Sherrie Jones. I will link her YouTube channel in the description box. Guys, go check her out. She's awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.